Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so welcome back to another video, you guys. This is a really exciting one because this is a new skincare launch from Ole Henriksen. I don't really talk about skincare that much on my channel because I feel like the videos that I do on skincare don't get a lot of views. A lot of people are just not really interested in my skincare recommendations, and that's perfectly okay. I'm doing this video because this is a new launch. This product was sent to me by influenster, and that's not the reason why I'm doing this video. They don't even know I'm doing this video. I'm doing this video because this is a new launch and I don't really buy skincare like that. I kind of go for products that I've already used and that have worked for me in the past. Like, I don't really switch up my skincare routine all that often. I do try new products from time to time, but usually the products have been out for a while before I do end up trying them. Before we get started on this video, make sure you guys go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So let's go ahead and get started on this video, you guys. Let's first talk about the type of skin that I have. So I have pretty oily skin. I would call it combination. There's places on my face that don't get as oily as others. However, there's places on my skin that stay oily and that are always oily, like my forehead and my T-zone area. I would classify my skin as acne prone. It's not as bad as it was before. However, I really have to take care of it. I have to wash my brushes, anything that I'm using on my face, frequently to help me not break out. However, there are definitely times in the year that my skin likes to break out, and I've tried to combat that for the past how many years and it just doesn't work. So I break out in the spring when the weather changes from like winter to spring, and then I also break out at the end of summer when it gets into fall. So my skin just doesn't like any type of weather changes. My skin is really prone to acne during those points in the year. Also, whenever I travel, I'm more prone to breaking out, which is really annoying because I really try when I'm traveling to take care of my skin. It just doesn't like change. I live in a really dry climate, so my skin does not like me to go from dry to humid because it will break out. So that's the type of skin I have. I have pretty complicated skin. I have combination, mostly leaning towards oily, and that's acne prone at certain times of the year and when I travel. So yeah, that's how my skin is. The moisturizers that have worked out for me in the past from Sephora, I want to get into those first just so you guys know what type of moisturizers I like and the type of consistency I like in my products. So one of my favorite moisturizers from Sephora is the Tatcha water cream, and that water cream just is almost like a gel hybrid type product. It's not a completely gel moisturizer, but it's very similar to this one in consistency. It's just a very nice lightweight moisturizer. I like the Watermelon Glow from Glow Recipe, the gel moisturizer as well, so you guys can see kind of how I am with my moisturizers. I like the more gel consistencies. I also most recently tried the Banana Souffle from Glow Recipe, and that one is kind of like a gel cream hybrid type product. That one is really nice as well. By the time this video will go up, this product has been at Sephora I think for about 2 to 3 weeks, so it's still fairly new. So this is the Ole Henriksen Cold Plunge. Let me get the full name because their names are super long for their products. So it's the Cold Plunge Pore Remedy Moisturizer. So like I said, I don't really like trying moisturizers like that. However, this one was definitely up my alley. It is a high-end moisturizer from Sephora, so that fits kind of where I buy my moisturizers from. I'm really just super careful on my skin because, like I said, my skin is just, it's complicated, okay? Like, I don't just try any type of moisturizer. If they had sent me like a drugstore one, I probably would have given it to my mom, to be honest. Just, I'm not like a drugstore moisturizer snob. It's just I know what works for my skin and what doesn't. I was very happy to be trying out this product just because it is like a well-known brand. It's at Sephora. It's at the price point where I would normally purchase moisturizers at, and this is a really nice. You guys can see how much I've used. I've used just a little corner there. That's what the product looks like. This I would definitely classify as being almost like a gel hybrid type moisturizer. It's kind of like a gel and kind of like a really lightweight cream. I feel like this is very similar to the Tatcha water cream. I actually apply this with a spatula. I don't like digging my fingers into products, so whenever products come like this, I always apply it with a spatula for the most part, just because I want it to last long. Even though I wash my hands before I moisturize my face, I just feel a lot cleaner and safer just using a spatula. This stuff smells so good. It's really, really refreshing. It kind of smells like mint, but not like a straight up peppermint. It's like almost like a medicinal mint. I love it so much. It's so refreshing on your skin. So this is what the moisturizer looks like. I had to do it on this side because you guys know the struggle when it comes to swatching liquid lipsticks. My other hand is completely stained. So that is the product right there. I'm just gonna kind of rub it in so you guys see the consistency. It is so nice and refreshing. It's actually cold on your skin. I love the smell. I'm obsessed. So it just goes into your skin so nicely. Feels so nice and cooling on your skin. It feels so refreshing. It's not one of those mint moisturizers, I feel like, that are tingly on your skin. It just feels cold, if that makes sense. It just feels nice and cold, and it feels like you put this in the fridge. That's how it feels when you put it on your skin. It's just really nice and cooling. Even though I didn't put mine in the fridge, I mean, I'm sure you could if you had a beauty fridge or something like that. I didn't put mine in the fridge, but it still feels nice and cooling. So I love this stuff so much. So this is a lightweight moisturizer, instantly hydrates, diminishes the look of pores, and controls surface oil. It's powered by BHA, aka salicylic acid, and LHA. It helps lift and loosen dead skin cells that clog pores. And it also has alpine willow herb extract, which contains rich antioxidants that help nourish and condition skin. So I love anything with BHA in it. I use a BHA mask sometimes before I go to sleep, a sleeping mask. I use a BHA sleeping mask sometimes. I think it's BHA and AHA mixed together. This one is BHA and LHA. So basically, yes, it does kind of almost like resurface your skin to get rid of the dead skin. So if you are prone to breakouts, if you're prone to acne, if you have oily skin plus the dead skin that's kind of mixed into combination skin, like if you have dry spots, those two can create acne in the worst way, and you can clog up all your pores really quickly. I think that's why my skin freaks out during every seasonal change, because it goes from like really dry outside to kind of humid, and then my skin gets really dry in certain parts and really oily in other parts because it gets warmer outside, and that's when I break out the most. Anything with BHA just helps my skin and creates this really, really nice glow to my skin. So yeah, anything with BHA I love. And then yeah, it has alpine willow herb extract, which I've never heard of, but it sounds like that is kind of like the factor in this product that makes it nice and cooling. So yeah, I just want to say thank you to Influenster for sending me this, because I love this product. This is definitely like my new favorite moisturizer. You know that minty scent that this product is giving off that I was saying earlier? It doesn't linger on. It doesn't really last on your skin too long or anything like that. I've only tried one other Ole Henriksen product. I had the vitamin C moisturizer before, just in a sample size, and that was just way too thick for me. I feel like that is more like dry skin, and now they finally have something for us combination / oily skin people to use. So yeah, I'm absolutely obsessed with this moisturizer. Again, I didn't have to do this video. It wasn't part of the tasks that I have to do. I think all they wanted was an Instagram post and a TikTok post or something like that. There wasn't really like a YouTube option, but I just wanted to share this product with you guys anyways because I really, really liked it. So that is pretty much all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.